Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use Meta AI inside Facebook Messenger. So if you want quick answer, image generation, or help with anything, Meta AI can do it all right inside your chats. So the first step that you need to do is open the Messenger apps and go to any chats, your friend chats, or even your own inbox. Meta AI works anywhere. And now you can to start using the Meta AI, you can just type in here at Meta AI like this, and you can just continue here. Now you can ask anything like, for example, give me travel ideas for couple, let's say, just like that. You need to hit on enter, and the Meta AI will give you the answer within a few seconds. You can also chat with Meta AI directly, so you can just go back to the home page, and here you can click on this options at the top, ask Meta AI or search. You can just type Meta AI in here to chat directly with Meta AI. So this will be open like this. So now you're inside the full Meta AI conversation. You can ask the Meta AI, for example, to create of let's say create a fun stories for me, let's say, just like that. You need to hit enter, and just like that it will give you the answer within seconds. And you can also create images with Meta AI, so you can just type on imagine, and now you can just write the image that you want. For example, modern bedroom design for a 3 years old boy. Hit on enter, and Meta AI will create the image right inside the messenger. You can just wait until the image is generated. Okay, so here is the result. And you can also add Meta AI to group chats. You can use the Meta AI, and after that you can just type on Meta AI here, and everyone in the group can see the answer. So this will be perfect for planning events, deciding places to eat, or solving things together. So that's it. That's how you can use Meta AI inside the Facebook Messenger. If this helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and also comment. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.